He's refilling right now. And Cyclone here, say hi dude.
Hi bro.
So we are going to, where are we going dude? You tell me.
Next stop is Yellapur. We'll
And
decide it from there.
Psyche clearing the road. Hey, kelsa sariya marli. There's absolutely nobody. Oh, dude. We are actually above the clouds. I think this was the perfect time. Not too much rain. Oh, dude. This is beautiful, dude. I'm not even kidding when I say this. This is heavenly. You are not going to believe the view I have behind me right now. It's crazy, dude. Can you see this? Can you freaking see this, dude? We got the perfect view. Nobody else is here today. It's not raining. It's just perfect. Just look, man. You can look down the water there. That's a river. I don't know which river that is, but it's just beautiful, dude. It's crazy beautiful. I'm surprised at how beautiful this is. Look at this, guys. I know I'm showing this repeatedly, but just look at those chunks of clouds. Isn't that beautiful? And here is a time lapse happening. I hope the footage is beautiful. You'll get done here. We got some good pictures. You can check them out at my Instagram. And he's
Psych.frames 22.
access to Magad Falls is right now is restricted. I don't know why that is, but it's not allowed to go there. It's 2 kilometers from here inside this road, but again, as you can see, we are reversing and heading back towards Yellapur. We're gonna have our breakfast, and he has an exam to write there. Let's see how it is. So we are back to Hotel Indraprastha. If you have seen my Gokarna vlog, you know that we had been here. So we are going here for breakfast again. As you can see, Cyclone is sipping on his coffee. We just had our breakfast. And if you're coming to this place, I definitely recommend Chow Chow Bhat. It was great. Dude, tell me about Chow Chow Bhat, dude.
It's fab.
Yeah. And now we are going to Shirley Halls. And the road here is interesting and beautiful. If you want me to put it in words. So we have parked our cars here and we are supposed to walk from here. And this is a nice track. It's a good trek leading up to the falls, I guess. We can hear the falls from here. And people live here, like you can see. That's a house right there. So this is nice. These people are coming. So you would want to see this. So this is beautiful. Yeah, standing on this. Beautiful. For reference, I am holding the camera parallel, and this is how steep it is. It's practically. He would have almost fallen, dude. He just slipped right here. Dude, this is fun, man. This is fun. We need to do this more often. There's such a good chance Cyclone might fall by the time we reach back our cars. There's a good chance. Okay, so what I had argued would happen happened. Show me your hand. He definitely fell by the time we reached this beautiful falls. So As you can see here, I don't know if I'm very clearly audible, but this is one of the safer falls to visit, definitely, for sure. As you can see, there's nothing much you can fall into or anything, but you definitely have to be careful about the stones here. And those people were just below the falls and they're coming out now. But boy, is this beautiful. That cyclone right there is coming right behind me. Say hi, Adarsh. Hi. By the way, if I haven't introduced, say hi, Rahul. I'm clicking pictures for these guys. I'm not gone in the water. Right. Freaking good, dude. It's freaking good. As you can see, I haven't gone in the water, but just the splashing of the water is so strong. It's like I've taken a 2-bucket face wash or something. Isn't this mesmerizing? Even the little one. And there's the little one. I'm just sitting here, enjoying this beautiful view. I mean, it's just beautiful on a beautiful day. It's just beautiful. So we are heading back to the car. We are going to, which place are we going to cycle at?
Kadra Dam.
Huh?
Kadra.
We are going to Kadra Dam.
Kadra, K-D-R.
Kadra Dam, sorry, Kadra Dam. I'm a newbie in this, guy, sorry. Travels to new destination every month, or at least a destination every month. I don't travel as well as much as him, so this guy knows more than I do. So it started to rain, and just the two of us didn't really get into the water there, and now we are getting wet in rain, and those guys left, and I think they are most probably dry by now, and I'm just covering this camera bag because it isn't really waterproof. No DSLR or camera is waterproof, so I'm covering it as much as I can. And it's very, very humid here. It's definitely very uncomfortable. What say, Rahul? I was talking about humidity here, dude. Good, bro. Humidity here is good. Apparently he likes the humidity here. Saikiran, how's the humidity killing you, man? And we are going towards Kaiga. I think we might be 15-20 kilometers down, and it was some serious ghat here. Like nobody is coming on that side except for some two-wheelers, but the turnings are really curvious. That's what you guys are looking for. The roads like these and rain like this makes you glad that you're not on a bike or a scooter for that matter. You're just glad to be inside and warm and cozy in car. Just look at this road. The road is hardly visible. The road is tiny. So we are almost driving at the speed of like 20, 30. It's been very tight. So the roads here are really tight, and the rain here has stopped in the name of God. And just side by the road, and the road is really tight, and it is definitely. This is Kadra Dam, and to our unluck, I don't know what to call it, it's also closed for any tourists, and apparently it's not open anytime. Like it's open only the time when the gates are open for the water to flow down. So really unlucky. I think we drove around 70 kilometers to be here. I'm not kidding when I say this, but the town of Kaiga is definitely way different than what I expected it to be. First of all, it's very different. And like, look at all this, man. It's all, these are the quarters for the people who are there. And I just find it really, really systematic. I apparently love this town. It's very small, but it's very organized and very particular about what it's trying to do. So as you can see, Saikiran, what's the name of the dam, dude? Kadra Dam, yeah, that's Kadra Dam, and two gates are open. And apparently this is the place you can be at. And boy, is it beautiful. These are the two cars. Say hi, everybody! And he's shooting a hyperlapse there. It's raining right there, and the dam is right here. It's just beautiful day to be out, man. It's a beautiful day. He's trying out for a long exposure. I'm definitely happy to be here. We got some great snaps. I'm not even kidding when I say this, but these hills and the clouds are giving me a Himachal Pradesh vibe, dude. I'm not exaggerating when I say that. It's absolutely Himachal Pradesh, and this is very near. Like this is about 1 kilometer from Kaiga township, where I recorded the previous shot. So it's beautiful. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಗಾಡಿಗೂ ಕೆಳಗಿದ್ದುಂಟು.
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಇಂದ ಎಂತ
ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಮರ್ತ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು. So we are having ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರವಾ ಉಂಡೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ. So we are having lunch here. It's about 3 o'clock right now, and our cars are parked now. It's a viewpoint technically. The day has been great so far, and technically this is the last point after which I think we are going to Dharwad. I'm not sure, but just check this out, man. I am not even kidding when I say this. We guys were just arguing that this looks actually artificial, like something out of a film sets, I guess. It looks something like look at all those white flower petals, red. It literally looks artificial, dude. I'm not even kidding. We are just walking. This is so damn beautiful, dude. You can never really get enough of this. This is beautiful, man. You definitely need to visit these places. Look at this. Water is so clean, man. So freaking clean. Look at that. I am not kidding when I say this. I am grateful I came here. I wasn't supposed to come here. It was spontaneous for me. I didn't know most of these people except Sai Kiran today, but I got to know them all very good, and they gave me a great company. And boy, am I grateful to have come. So beautiful after all this COVID lockdown and everything. I think this is just what I wanted. Standing in water. I've just folded up my jeans, but boy, am I loving this. You saw all that beautiful things, right? You're not going to believe this. It all originates from a stream so small. That, where I wasn't already a view enough. Then this is what you will enjoy. It's a beautiful day, I'm telling you. It's a beautiful day to be out here. That's some other tourists from there. So we had great fun that day, and I'd forgotten to shoot the extra. So if you enjoyed that video, please like, share and subscribe.